kwa New Jersey. Le kae batho?
Rona le kae?
Re teng.
Ke se semang.
Ke se se tsiama mahuma ko Bethane.
Mabethang.
Na mahuma ko Bethane sa re beo.
Okay. Le bone jwang papadi ya mamahla?
Ko re o itse keng ne? Papadi ya itshwenye mara as long as re na makhosi re winne haiwa.
Ne?
Hore re winne ha kae re jelo ha kae ke tsa lena tsa nna re winne.
O khatlile ke mama motla?
Khazu khatlile ke mang? Wamboro.
Obor. Asa o khatla Mfundo Villa guys?
Yeah. Nna ntle gore nna ke na sepe gore ke khatlile gore as long as re winne.
Ke a kwishisha.
Ke ile ntse ba mpotsa re o itse makhosi le in a toxic relationship le chips marabo.
Mamhlali win. Toxicity nyana e fedile.
Ai tshwanye re ntse le bana ba ntse le di relationship tsa bana tse toxic.
Ne? A ke a kusha
Ke a leboha.
Re a leboha. Come to Talking Football with D. Yes, we bone jwang papadi ya mamahla?
The way you bone corner, yeah. Attitude, I like the attitude.
Yes.
Yeah, baby, compressive. And then
Yes.
if ever Singayang attitude, so
Yes.
there's something that is gonna come out.
Yes, you can
But
win
then,
1 or 2
yeah,
trophies.
Maru Cruz, Ntande, Nikama Chiti chance,
Yes.
youngsters, sharp, right, sharp. But watch the space, which is like in Go Road.
Yes.
Which is like
Oh, he was good today.
Which is like on Nikim.
Yeah?
I'm Nikim.
22 years now.
No.
Adolf.
Now, Kumuntu.
Hey, Kosi.
Why is that Bani Sandals success? Why is that Bani Sandals success?
We shy, yeah.
Why is that
We shy, yeah.
Maria ngithanda
Umsono wenza.
umsono why ulibele ipapa ithuka ufuna usenza ngama last minute ufuna usenza mari untshebe
Kosi, all the best for the season, eh?
All the season manje basibonsile Kosi came all out sa umntana lo sasiqalisa stadium Kosi uCruz masimgayeni chance isibonile stadium if singabuya sibuya amabhevukuzela rigayela iKaizer Chiefs let us buy authentic wares sibe sharp no more ngama-phone call guys
no more ama-phone call
hayi ama-phone call iPirates ibhakane ikhuphe ijezi elihle iSundowns bala ama-style 2 hayi Chiefs yababa ngisho inkhumbuzo usizwe mtawu
let us follow mo YouTube
and guys
Talking Football with D on YouTube ne
umnandi D
yes uD umnandi
nase Eastern Cape ngizobaxelela ngawo
ubaxelela butwa
nase Velcom bazoyazi
away thank you so much
we love you guys
away